Hello, I am Gray. How are you? Oh, that's my cat Oliver.
By now I assume that you know how to get started with Adobe Firefly from my previous video, and you know how to use text-to-image feature to give your creativity a life. But still now we don't know everything. By the way, if you haven't watched that video, you should check that out. I will provide the link in description. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Let's hit the intro. Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill feature lets you add, replace, or remove objects and backgrounds from any image. The feature is available for all Adobe accounts for free when you use the Adobe Firefly web app. For that, first sign in with your account. I know what you are thinking. Let me tell you that all images edited inside Generative Fill will carry a Content Credentials watermark to let others know that AI was used to create them. Did you enjoy the tutorial on Adobe Firefly? I would be so happy if you could tell your thoughts in the comments section. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, adios. And don't forget to subscribe.